Hi, Sebastian Lay here at CardLogix. Today I'd like to introduce you the IDBX Biometric Mobile Edition. The IDBX Mobile Edition is all about providing a secure credentials in minutes out of the box. So we have three different printers now that we can include into the box. One's called the DASCOM DC2300, which is a direct-to-card 300 dpi product. We also have the DASCOM 8600, which is the latest from DASCOM, has the PatchIM capability, and is a 600 DPI capability. And then we also have the DC7600 retransfer 600 DPI that also has a PatchIM capability. From there, we have three different units for the BIOSID application. We have the BIOSID Standard, which is our FAB 20, most cost effective. We have our BIOSID Pro, which uses the FAB 45, which are for all different types of fingers. And then today we'll introduce you the BIOSID Ultimate, which is a FAB 60, and has all the features and bells and whistles that you need for the biometric enrollment. We also use our current credential from CardLogix for the instant issuance and capture of the information. So as soon as I capture it, it goes to the system and then it will send to the printer for encoding and printing right away. So let's just start and show you how quickly and how fast the system is. So the BIOSID has multiple features in terms of enrollment and verification for biometrics, AFIS and ABIS enabled. I click the BIOSID enrollment and we have all different options from reading a passport on NFC. So I go here and use the passport. I can use the passport for MRZ with a camera, or to read the ID card MRZ with 3 lines for MRZ, scan the passport MRZ to a scanner, which is basically a device that goes behind it, and put the MRZ in it. And then we use a 2D card scanner for PDF 417 application. Web enroll is that we use from a database, or manual enrollment. All these things to expedite the enrollment of the process. So let's just use the driver license. We'll go here with the 2-bar scanning. I go here, I press the button on the side, it reads, and automatically my information is captured. It's as easy, as simple as this. I go from there, I put my signature, I say accept. I have 2 choices to pick the picture. I take here the front or the back, as you decide. Obviously I'm doing the demonstration, so I do it in the front. It captures my biometric in my face. I go here to click the irises. This is used an infrared scanner. So what we need to do is wait until the infrared scanner goes on. It is on now. I say capture both eyes. 2 blur circle goes in. I go for it. I hear 2 beeps. It's all captured. Whoop. And then here is saved and enrolled. My 2 iris are captured. I go here. I fire around the device. Isolate the fingers, auto capture, and I put in my 4 fingers. As soon as the red light of the scanner stops, it captured all my information already. So I go in, I put the other ones in, it captured. Here we go. I put those 2, all done. My 2 thumbs, I put it in, it captured, and here we are. I'm all done already for the fingerprint. Here I can take a picture of a unit. I'll just take scan of the passport, for example, just for an example. I go in, I press scan. It's a good picture. I go here. Then I crop it to the design I want. It's all done. It's captured. Create PDF. It saves as a PDF and also goes into the record for your database. I'm all done. I go here. I can put some data if I want to. I go next, and I'm ready to save the data anywhere I want. For example, I go to the cloud to make the card. So automatically it saves to the cloud. It is done. The system here will capture the information. You see my face in my signature on here, and the printer automatically starts to grab the card. The first thing it does, it will encode the card. So everything you saw here for me to enroll, it will put my face, my biometric template in my face, my 2 irises, and my 10 fingerprints, my signature, and all the biometric data that I have inside the chip of the card. Again, the most secure application you can do right here, right now, instantly. After this, that is done encoding, and it takes about 40 seconds on the encoder, it will start to print the card on both sides, the front and the back. So we're almost done with the encoding, and that's what's going to happen in terms of the secure credential. Here it went to the print job. It starts to print now. Into the print. And after this, as soon as the print is done, it will get the card, and I'll show you and verify that everything is working as stated. The card ejects. Here we are. The card is finished, and it's the same thing as we just did. Now, let me show you how to verify the information. Here's an Android phone. I take it, I read contactless card. I put the contactless card right behind my phone through the NFC. And what it does now is it reads the information from the card to verify that everything inside the card matches what you see on the card, okay? And it also will tell you if there's any biometric data in it. Basically, this is the BIOSID software within an Android phone. Here I am, all done. Here's the card, matches, and then I have here proof of the face, the iris, and the fingerprint all inside with a file of the passport that I took a picture. Now let's review this on the BIOSID Ultimate. I put the card here, I read contactless, and all of a sudden it will start to read the information. Like I said, it takes a bit of time because it rereads 100 kilobyte of data. All right, this is not a proxy card, this is not something very quick. It captures all the information first and store it into a flash memory for that to match one-on-one the person's information. So here we are, we had 40% of it, still loading. And this can be done in all different applications from a server, from the tablet itself, from a contact card. All things are available as long as you have the chip provided. So here we are, we're done with the verification. So you can see that the information is the same, my picture, signature, and as all three means of biometrics and my personal information as I selected when I started. Here we are, we're going to do the face capture. I click to verify. Again, I'm measuring this myself. So what the system now does is it takes a picture, grabs a picture and verify it biometrically. Okay, I go back. Let's do the iris. Click the verify. It just takes the iris. It loads the infrared scanner on this. As soon as it's done, it says capture both eyes. The blue circle goes through. That goes here. I hear the beeps. All good. Save and continue. It's a perfect match. I'll go back. Let's verify now the fingerprint. Now again, it's a FAB60. I power around the device. It's on. I select the fingerprint. Save, verify. Red light goes in. I put the fingers. It captures now the biometrics of the fingerprint and then verify it against all the fingers in database. Look, an all match is an all match. That's it. This is how simple, it's easy this biometric IDBX system does. You can create cards in minutes without any programming and anything else. Everything is done for you by CardLogix and DASCOM as our partner for this application. Thank you for your time, and give us a call at 949-380-1312 or see us at cardlogix.com. Thank you for your time.